many times have you received an email that was replied to all, but you really didn't need to get it? Or how about an email that was forwarded, but you're really not sure what the context was? Let's figure out how to make sure we use these two email functions in the way that best supports our readers. When we forward an email, we have two groups of people to think about: our new readers, the people who will read the forward, and the previous writers, those who wrote on the email chain previously. New readers might need just 1 to 2 sentences about the context, what was being discussed on this email chain. Previous writers, those already included, might need something deleted. They might have written something that was never intended for that broader audience, so it's our responsibility when we forward to make sure we're only forwarding information that was okay to do so. And lastly, in some cases, you may want to let people know explicitly, hey, I've added a couple new people to this email chain. Instead of just replying all right away, it's a great idea to check who needs the information and who really doesn't. And only choose reply all if you know legitimately all those people need the information.